So hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. And to my subscribers, how are you guys? Hope you are all feeling good, yeah. And to those who have not really subscribed to my channel, Clary's is, what are you still waiting for? Consider subscribing after watching this short video. Anyways, today I'm not gonna be wasting time. I just want to show a very short video. I want to like show how to restore old stuff. Some people, like some people, they don't know how to manage old things. So I mean, today I want to show you guys, instead of throwing out old stuff, you have to think of what to do to renovate them, to put them to shape. Like this one that I have here today. I'll be showing you guys a sort of flower vase. Yeah, I want to change the color from the old color. It was like white black before. Today I want to change it to golden color. So please don't go away, keep watching and you see how it. So guys, here is the golden spray I'm gonna be using today. It's very affordable, it's original, and I bought it from a nearby supermarket, so you can check it out. So guys, you see the flower vase is already dried up. You see, you can see it very well. Look at it, very beautiful. This is made by clarry, okay? So now I want to put this flower in the flower pot. You see it? I want to put it right inside. So I've finished. So please comment on this comment section. You see, it's so beautiful. Comment on the comment section how you feel about this, whether you like it, whether it looks beautiful, or yeah. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.